It's a very breathtaking craft, CX-33. This one has been redesigned and it's the same old trick. The manufacturer has sealed the capability and the power of this craft. Propeller has been swapped, so now it preserves more energy efficient. Both propellers do not spin in the same direction. Case is opened and the control board positive and negative is flipped, plus and positioned. The slot position has been exchanged from each other, so propeller A would directly point to propeller A. Propeller B would point right back to propeller B. So it all worked out. If you have tried to multiply it, it will first hover, but it would not spin very well. So it's just a adjustment that has already been provided. So nothing is added, nothing is taken away. And batteries. Camera has a push button that it has 3 wire, positive, negative, and 1 signal wire. If you connect the signal to the ground, and you must be pay attention that positive and negatives are in no circumstances be wrong, otherwise you would toast your main board. So the signal wire, when connected to the negatives, in some camera, it will trigger the video functions. Larger batteries. So this craft is the front motor has a heavier load than the back, which is a only solution. Only solution is using the solder as a device to painstakingly rewire the controller. It's a very tedious process. By all means, do not attempt it. It only swapped 2 wires, the left-right wire. The left became right, the right became left. Once again, the front became back became front. Left became right, right became left. So this craft will no longer fly forward this way. This craft will now fly forward this way and has not been tested. I'm going to test it now, but it seems everything is... This craft is electronic controls. Anything go wrong, there is no mercy and no safe landing. It will just crash and burn. And it has already crashed and burned. And this electronic control has fatal flaw in it. It will fly straight up to the air for no good reason, and then say goodbye to you forever. And there is a button to 1 key airborne. And I attempted a few times to go without 1 key airborne and use the control stick, and result in a fatal crash. Electronic controls. That's a problem with electronic controls. And autopilot. That's a problem with autopilot. So I'm going to test out the theories. May crash and burns, and but it seems everything going accordingly. Now initiation has something like this. It used to be down there, but now it's because the direction has been swapped. So this you cannot say this guy can flip definitely, because when it crashed it flipped. So they just deliberately disable the flip functions. I don't know, I need to test and fly it and to conclude whether it looked promising. Then the drums, it shake quite fair bit, reasonable, but it's quite stable. Plus is attitude autopilot with the attitude hold, and it will stay at the approximate attitude, and it's a great fun. I'm going to test out the electronics, and it's 50-50.